កិរិយាសព្ទ wash wash លាងឬបោកគក់ល្បះទី1 I wash my hands before eating I wash my hands before eating ខ្ញុំលាងដៃរបស់ខ្ញុំមុនញ៉ាំអាហារល្បះទី2 She washes her clothes She washes her clothes នាងបោកខោអាវរបស់នាងល្បះទី3 He washes his car He washes his car គាត់លាងឡានរបស់គាត់ល្បះទី4 The girl washes her face The girl washes her face ក្មេងស្រីនោះលាងមុខរបស់នាងល្បះចុងក្រោយ They wash the dishes They wash the dishes ពួកគេលាងចានសូមបងប្អូនកុំភ្លេចចុច Subscribe ទៅលើ Channel YouTube របស់ខ្ញុំផងសូមអរគុណ